Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 15th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir up 27 cents at 10.77. This is an increase of 2.57%. So this might be looking good if we only look at those numbers here. If we look at the chart itself, then we see that for this candle, even though it's a green candle, which means that we closed at a higher price than we opened this morning. So if you bought this morning at the open and sold tonight at the close, then you would have made money. Okay, that's nice. But the candle itself made a lower high and also a lower low. It means that we are still in a downtrend. So even though the stock is up, in terms of the context, we are still in a downtrend. So as most of you know, we have been into this downward trend for a long time, and we are hugging this support here. And we also have a little bit of a resistance right here that is declining even steeper than the slope of the bigger channel. The stock is going down even faster here. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, so the first candle of the day was a green candle. Then the second one was a little bit special with long wick here, long wick there. So the stock did not know exactly what it wanted to do. Then we came down pretty much to where we were this morning and started again and have 3 green candles for the end of the day. It's nice that we are up a little bit, but as I mentioned, compared to what happened in the past few days, this little move up does not mean very much. Let's go see the daily chart. So stochastic at 22, still very low. MACD still broken over bullish, and our RSI that is trending up because it's making higher lows broke the support on Friday, but now came back above support today. Maybe that's a sign that we are going to recover at some point, and my mouse needs some charging. And DMI is also quite bearish. Nothing much to see here until we break this resistance right here. And I'm going to start using the color purple to identify the most significant resistance that we need to take a look at. So this is the most significant resistance. Until we break this resistance, personally, I would not buy this stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. This will encourage me. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.